Back with another food review, and this time it's Crackcorn popcorn. There's a reason they call it Crackcorn, because you can't stop eating it. This was a 6-pack, a 6-variety pack. It had cheese and caramel and this jalapeno one, but this is all that's left. I had to save one for the review, at least, right? Just be careful, because when you open these, you're gonna be eating the whole thing. There's no way to not. So, if you'd like to experience the culinary fireworks that is Krackcorn, I put these down in the bottom left. You will not be disappointed.